way you're sitting in the walk. You follow the horse very good in the walk. Trot.
You want to try?
Yes, please. But deep and wrong. And a slow trot, no bigger trot. I can see the piaffe a piece the cake. A piece the cake. Slowing down and squeezing. Pushing. Thank you. Now, put the haunches out. More out. More out. 4 tracks. 4 tracks, yes. But bending inside, gorgeous. Bending inside, sweetheart. Yes. Keeping your inside leg and keeping the haunches out. Keeping the haunches out. Right there. I don't want the haunches no out no matter what, no end.
Okay.
More out. Put the horse out. Keeping out. Yes. The whole circle. Okay, stop. Okay. You do good. 0 complaint. But you have to understanding the horses is not a computer. You put the first couple steps beautiful.
Okay.
And later you start enjoying your ride.
Okay.
Enjoying your ride, that's not gonna work with me. Yes, that's not going to happen. I guarantee to you that.
Okay.
That means you have to riding each
Step.
step. I can see you put the haunches out very good, and you say, okay, taking care of me. That's not going to happen. Okay? You enjoy your ride after you got your blue ribbon. In the meantime, it's nothing to enjoy. Riding with me is like a being diet. Every single lady hates the diet, but enjoying the results. Yeah, and now you're riding. You see? More out, sweetheart. Good. More hunches out. You forget it. You see? I want the 20-meter circles with the hunches out. Don't tell you let go. Don't make me make hunches. Yes. Especially in the corner, she's having the tendency to leaning in you. Good girl. Hunches. Little extra leg in the corners. Good. Bending more in the inside rear. Honey, you start making the same mistake. Please. Good. Yes. Punches. And then, okay. Gonna make me mad. Punches. Don't tell you let go. I want that punches out. There. Don't tell you let go. And riding each step. Open that circle. Right now it's not 20 circles. No, it's not 20 meters. That means she's collapsing in the shoulder right now. Punches out. She needs that a lot. Good. There. Okay, maintain right there. Yes. Punches out. Yes. Punches out. Good. Oh, walk and reward. Magic.